started with cases. A simple sample case, Garvit, could be, can you, if I'm an interviewer, I'm asking you a question. The question could be, can you tell me how many cars are there on Delhi roads right now? I'm serious, that's an interview question. Go ahead, Akshat. Any more questions?
Right, guys. So we'll have to unfortunately hurry up a little bit because we are running out of time. Hey, Pawan, can we go back to point 8? Okay. So just very quick admin points. So please join our LinkedIn group. This is a platform through which we will communicate all updates. So please join it. That is very, very important. Whether you are a member, whether you're a non-member, it does not matter. Please join our LinkedIn group. That is one. Second, we will add you to a Telegram group. We are creating a Telegram group. We will add only members. Right? I'm repeating that we will only be able to add members on the Telegram group because we are maintaining data only for members. That's it. Right? So all updates will be shared. And yes, for Telegram updates, for example, if we share a knowledge shot, or if we share a knowledge bite information, or if we share infographics, etc. via Telegram, audio notes, all this will be accessible to all the members who are joining the forum at that point in time. Okay, so that's two. Third and final point, Pawan, just very quickly. So a lot of confusion is going on in the sense that, hey, people are saying that this week I did not pay, but I got paired with a case partner. This we initially wanted to keep the network free, but we got a lot of data which or like several people backed out. They were non-serious, so we got those kind of people also on the network, unfortunately. Now to maintain the quality of the platform, we have made it a paid plan, so whoever is paying are the ones who are joining, because it shows seriousness that you are actually willing to learn. We are not charging insane amount. We are, especially for the kind of people that will put you in touch with, you will not find any such courses. Literally best MBA programs are giving you access to these kind of people, right? I mean, even best MBA programs like INSEAD, where we graduated from, we had a partner from BCG, Boston Consulting Group, who took a class, and his class was oversubscribed, right? So there was so much excitement even at a top business school to study from a BCG consultant. And here we are doing it at like literally a price of a coffee, right? So we are bringing in new BCG, Bain, McKinsey consultants on board every week to speak with you, or add information uh, to your professional network, etc. Sometimes you will also get to solve cases with them, which is unheard of, right? So, I mean, you can actually Google it, right? I mean, I'll encourage all of you to Google it, write that, case solving with BCG, McKinsey, Bain consultant, and try to look at how much they are charging for one-on-one case solving. And then if you guys appreciate our model, we will really request you. We don't need like any testimonials, etc. We don't believe in all that. We believe that if we add enough value to you, automatically in the network grow. Our only simple request to you is that, see, if you're getting benefit out of the network, please contribute to the network, right? That is it. That is all we would want. That if you're getting benefit from it, then please contribute to the network by helping others. That's A. B, if you're not getting benefit of the network, please at least join for 3 months. The reason is that it will take a little bit of getting used to bring you up to speed. Join the network for 3 months, and if you are still not happy that I joined the network, I'm not getting any value, please tell us why. For example, you can tell us that, hey, I was never paired with a good case solver, etc., and we'll try to rectify those points, right? And we will help you out there, right? So please, we will ensure that whoever is joining the network, they get some value out of it. Okay.
Hey, one very interesting question, Pulkit. I completely trust the answers, the model solutions that you guys give. But if I have another answer, right? That's a very interesting question, Pulkit. To be honest, every case interview question can have probably 100 answers, which are equally good. Okay, we are giving one answer, and you will see, Pulkit, if you open the model solution and if you go through the solution, you will notice the feedback is around the structuring. Okay, it is not about whether India should actually increase the oil prices for the customers versus not, but it is how you are answering that question, right? So Pulkit, that's an interesting question, but the answers are always meant to be different. Every good case solver will come up with a different answer. Shrishti, do we need prior MBA courses knowledge to solve cases? No, definitely not. You need to be a good logical thinker, and that's a skill that you will develop over time. You need a lot of muscle memory for that, and you need to spend a lot of time to improve that. Okay.
Right, guys. And just very quick response to that question again, and let me illustrate that. So speak with any of your friends who has recently made it to IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, etc. Now, the day they step on campus, like within a week, they start solving cases, right? So do you really think that yes, they went to IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, etc. But do you really think that in just 1 week of taking a business course, they are able to understand everything about business, right? No, right? They also are there trying to learn about business, utilizing their knowledge to solve cases. So that muscle builds over time, right? And similarly, that is exactly what we are trying to do with you. So you have arts background people who are going to business schools. So within 1 week, they start solving cases. So why can't you solve cases if you're at an undergrad level? Yes, it might happen that initially you might not be able to perform really well. You might not like the experience of solving cases initially, but if you give it enough time, 10, 12 months, keep watching, keep aggregating knowledge. And the best thing about peer model is that it keeps you disciplined, right? Otherwise, if we just randomly say that, hey, go solve cases, then most of you might not do it, right? If we just organize a master class on hey, how to solve cases, we have been doing it, right? So we have been invited by like ISB. We have official partnerships with a lot of top undergrad and graduate programs across the world, right? So Pawan can speak more about those partnerships that we already have. So bottom line is that these kind of lectures happen everywhere, right? But you don't get to utilize and exercise that knowledge. So that is what we are trying to do via the network.
Yes. So one other question, very interesting question. I mean, a few of you have already asked. Muskan, Likita, a bunch of you guys have asked. I'm not from a tier 1 university, or I'm consulting companies don't come on my campus. Can I get recruited without an MBA? So guys, you will hear a lot about that particular point from me in few sessions. One, just because I'm also not from IIT, BITS, SRCC, or any of the colleges where McKinsey, BCG, Bain used to come on campus, and I got recruited with before an MBA, getting an MBA degree at McKinsey. So it is definitely possible. I'm the live example. You can build your profile, but the most important thing, you need to have a very strong way of how to solve cases. You need to know how to solve cases, right? So live example, a lot of people are asking same question. Can you get into consulting at all with tier 2, tier 3? Yes, you can. You have a live example in front of you. Is communication also a key player in consulting interviews, Akash? 85% to 90%, communication is the key. You are evaluated throughout your interview on communication, and how you communicate as a consultant is different from how you communicate as in any regular other interview, right? So that's another important skill. You will listen. Why don't you listen to the model solution, Akash? You will understand what I'm saying at this point. What does communicating as a consultant mean? Yes. So do you want to, should I wait for 2 weeks? Yes, guys. I mean, we can't force you to take the membership versus not now versus after, but we have a few sessions already planned up for next week. You will get an email. You will see it on LinkedIn. You will see it on Telegram. We'll add you there, and you will get notifications on all these 3 platforms about the sessions that are coming next week. Okay. And these are again only for our members. Yes, Debyan, you can take 1 month, you can continue. I mean, the subscription plans are flexible. It's up to you which way you want to continue. But our recommendation, usually cases, learning how to solve casing is a long process. We were deliberately thinking we want to keep like a 2-year plan as well, but we backed off just because we didn't want to uh, sound like somebody should solve for 2 years. But people prepare for all walks of like time.
Hey, very interesting question, attendee 132. So he's asking that, hey, does case solving help entrepreneurs? So Pawan and I are both entrepreneurs, and honestly, everything that we do now, so we are doing entrepreneurship, right? So for example, I invest in companies. Pawan runs his multiple companies. So every day on job, having a background in management consulting really helps us. And management consulting is 80% about case solving, right? So I mean, if you know how to structure communication, how to communicate effectively, how to give an elevator pitch, how to introduce yourself, how to keep things brief and to the point. These are important skills that any entrepreneur would need. One very quick, relevant, practical tip there is that as an entrepreneur, your goal is always to reach and build your network, right? So networking becomes very important. We will teach you how to become better networkers. We'll have specialists from different industries talk about it. So yeah, I mean that's the idea there.
So guys, a lot of you are asking, do we take sessions on how to get a call from MBB for an interview if you apply from off campus? Definitely, we'll give you tips going forward. This is not the right forum though. About applying to Dalberg or any consulting firms. These are all the things that you will keep learning, guys. Apart from students and professionals interested to get, does case solving help? Yes, it does. So would there be an opening shared on official group for subscribers? Shivam, definitely. We are building a case interview guide for beginners. It will help you to get started on how to actually go about case interviews if you're like absolutely at the beginner level. For all our members, you will be getting that in your inbox next week.
Right,
Yes,
guys. So
we have members only group. Guys, we are sticking to Telegram going forward only because WhatsApp is like limited on the number of people we can have. But you reach out to us anytime if you have any questions, guys. I just want to repeat, if you have any questions, anytime, if you think that yes, you are not partnered with the right guy, if you give that partner benefit of doubt, help that partner pick up. Guys, you are learning at the same time, you should also help others to learn. That's the best way you can improve as a case partner, right? One of the McKinsey partners that I worked with told me, I've asked him like, after 25 years at McKinsey, what are you still doing at McKinsey? You would have earned a lot. Now you can go rent a boat and like you can just enjoy your life. Why are you still working? His point was, I'm still improving, I'm still learning from everybody how to communicate better. That was like the best response I will ever remember, guys. So he's already there in 25 years from McKinsey. I don't know how I would have helped him learn. I don't understand even till today how that can happen. But he told me that I still am at McKinsey only because I want to learn. So guys, teaching also gives you a good, it's also a good mode of learning. So don't underplay that aspect. Teach and also get taught at the same time. Take your case partners seriously. Never a novice. If somebody is a novice, please help them out. We would really appreciate that too.
hey, attendee 205, that is not an open Telegram link channel. Otherwise, anyone can join, right? And then we have to filter out candidates again. So it's for only for paid members. So whenever you join our paid membership, we will add you to that group, right? By using your phone number. Just make sure that you are there with the same telephone number. You have the Telegram installed on your phone.
Yes. So we'll just any other questions, guys? If you think that question is related to process and we are not able to answer you, please email us. We will respond. It's just there are too many questions. We are not able to scroll through all the questions, but you will get emails from us continuously. If you don't have an email, check your spam or your updates or your promotions tab. And even if you don't find it, please email us. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Yes. Oh, that's an interesting question. Somebody asked, are case important an important part of interview process for investment banks? That's a fantastic question, guys. If you are preparing for investment banking, product management, IT, tech, any kind of interview, case solving helps. I repeat, case solving helps because case solving helps you pick the muzzle on how to answer a question. Any question, right? You don't know the question. As I said a few minutes back, you don't know what question is coming your way, but you will still be able to answer that question. That's the beauty of case solving. So investment bankings typically help. Uh, and investment banking is one of the most common jobs where consultants also apply to, aspiring consultants. So you will hear from a few investment bankers in the going forward in our speaker series. We don't know when, but we will have all different kinds of product lines being covered in the upcoming speaker series.
Right. So, guys, very quickly. So, one hedge fund manager has confirmed that he'll be speaking with our paid members. Right. So, it will be a closed session. So, hedge fund is like the elite version of investment banking. Every investment banker wants to get into hedge fund. So, yeah. So, that would be a great session for you to attend. How to network, what hedge fund is, how to get a job there. So, we'll cover those career-related aspects of of professional life as well.
Yes, guys, it's a very good question. What do I do next? You have been assigned a case, you got in touch, you have gone through the sample session, right? You have solved the case. More importantly, it's not just you get on a phone and discuss. One of you are interviewer, one of you is a candidate. Do that. And coming Monday morning, you will have the next variant. Again, repeat with your same case partner, have another session and go through the similar process with the next question. Okay, that's the next step that you need to do, and attend these sessions. After you do both of these, go look at the model solution, see what you're making wrong, what you're writing, improve, and repeat the same thing again. Right? If you do the same thing 10,000 times, anybody could be Leander, anybody could be a great person. Right? So just keep doing the same thing. Ishwara, thanks for asking that question. Thanks, Mijesh. You got the email. Yes, I was telling you. Aman, can we at least go through the frameworks? Aman, you will realize very quickly. I shouldn't say this now, but you should never ever say in an interview, this is the framework that I'm using. That's absolutely bad way to start your answer, because the interviewer will think that, oh, this guy is copying some textbook answer. I don't want him. There are no textbook solutions in the business world. So similarly, no textbook solutions in your case world as well. So yes, of course, you would learn some frameworks just to get into starting the cases, but never ever say that word framework in an interview. Great question. Thank you. Guys, we will have this recording updated. We will post this recording on LinkedIn. You can answer, you can see, you can go through the questions again. A lot of questions are very interesting questions. You should have a good idea by now. Again, guys, just a simple point again. The emails are going into promotions or spam folders. Please go through them. Okay. The second one, if you don't get it, please email us. 3, if you register and if you're having some payment problems, again, there is something in your spam or promotions tab, just go through it. These things will help you answer a lot of questions by yourself.
Okay, wonderful, guys. So any more questions? Because if not, then this is the point where we would end the session.
Yes.
Hello.
Give me 1 second, guys. Yes, we will add Surya, Prathamesh, we will add you guys separately into the Telegram group. It's not an open group, guys, so we will add folks independently.
Hello, I had a question. Can you hear me? My name is Rajas.
Yes, please
Hey,
keep it short.
Rajas.
Go ahead, Rajas.
I wanted to ask if I want to invite my friends to this group, whom should I ask them to contact?
You can forward the link, the subscription plans or case over coffee or any of the links, right? Or put them in touch with admin@casesovercoffee.com. Any
Okay,
questions?
fair enough. I'll do that.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hello. Hey, hi. I'm Sonika. I have a question.
Please, Sonika, go ahead.
I just wanted to know, will we also learn the techniques of this case solving? Like, we have certain frameworks to how to go. Like, I'm quite new to this case study, so just wanted to know if we have structured approach, then I think they'll be most helpful for me.
Yes, so Sonika, great question. As we mentioned, we'll have a guide for beginners specifically in the next week. So you will be able to
Okay.
access it if you're a member. That's one. The second thing, you will also realize very, very quickly in your journey that most of the case questions are like, tell me how many cars are there on like the roads of Delhi? What is the impact of work from home on TCS, right? So a lot of questions are very generic. So once you get used to solving these cases over time, you will pick up that skill. And yes, we will keep telling you the tricks of how to actually develop that skill and how do you improve. Please go through the model solutions, as when you complete solving the case, you'll understand very, very easily what we are talking about.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Hey, Akhil, if you are already paired with a partner, please continue with your current partners for 2 weeks, but you will have like the beginner's guide, you'll have a lot of other things going too. And you tell us how the partnership, how the impact has been, give some feedback, and we will incorporate and we'll get you like the right partner going forward, right? Because getting the right partner, guys, in life or in cases over coffee takes some time. So in every 10 people you solve, you'll probably learn from 5, you will help others 5 guys. So it's a process of helping as well. A lot is a muscle that you can grow by helping others, because that helps you stick into your muscle.
Attendee 128. So yes and no. Yes, in the sense that of course we'll
Hey,
give you.
Akshat, give me 1 second. I'll just mute everybody and you can unmute yourself. There's a background noise. Yeah, go ahead, Akshat. Unmute yourself. And
Yes, attendee 128. So you asked us that, hey, can we expect support in networking with MBB or Big Four consultants? The answer is yes and no. Yes, in the sense that we put you and we'll give you access to certain consultant. Yes. Now, how you impress them, how what value add you add to them, etc. How you network with them, that is something that you will have to learn along the way. Of course, we can't spoon feed there. Even business schools can't spoon feed. For example, when Pawan and I went to INSEAD, it's not as if that someone from career services team at INSEAD and Wharton took us, made us meet McKinsey consultants and told them that, hey, this guy, please take him in McKinsey, right? So it doesn't work that way. All they can do is that they can invite McKinsey BCG Bain folks on campus the way we are doing it on webinars. You are speaking with 2 people right now, right? So similarly, we'll invite a lot of people, a lot of good folks for our sessions. You will see, right? I mean, we'll definitely put these posts on LinkedIn, on our closed groups, etc. So you'll get access to them. Now, how you write an email to them, how you further carry forward the conversation, etc., is something that you will have to learn along the way, right? Of course, we'll tell you how to do it also, right? As a part of our master classes, but you have to utilize those techniques. We'll definitely give you the tools.
yes. So guys, another common question is there a communication technique? Is there a specific technique that can help you become a better case solver? Sorry, guys. A very common question I am seeing is how can I become a better case solver? How can I become a better communicator? Guys, your style is different from my style. We will help you along the way, tell you like different styles, different tips, right? One of the most common tips you will learn and you will never forget, right? I mean, I'm giving this tip for everybody over here. One, talk slowly, right? You will hear from some of the best professors in the world that talk slowly, right? So we will tell you these kind of things continuously, and there is nothing like no bad magic bullet. Your communication style is different from my communication style, but it has to be something what the other person remembers. We'll talk a lot about these kind of things going forward in these guest series, in these webinars, and all the stuff. And if you are a beginner, just go through the guide, beginner's guide. We will send you an email once it is up on the dashboard, on your account dashboard, and please go through it, and then you will very clearly get understanding of like, okay, as a beginner, where do you get started?
Hey, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I wanted to ask about placements abroad. So, in the current climate, what do you think about the placements abroad? Like for someone who lives in India, if I apply to firms abroad, do they take in anyone, or would that change because of the situation now? And also, I study abroad, so if I want to apply in the city I'm from with this particular club and all
Yeah,
the
so
preparation.
yeah, so I think unfortunately not the right forum for that question, but to I mean sincerely answer you that question very very briefly, we'll talk about it later too. One, if there is any firm in the world who, like if there are any firms in the world who don't worry too much about visas or anything, these kind of things, these are the management consulting guys. Because I personally worked in the US, I had a H1B problem. McKinsey asked me to switch to Canada office, work there for some time, and then move back to India office. As long as you are good, if McKinsey, BCG, Bain, and other companies believe that you are good with respect to case solving, with respect to your profile, and a bunch of other things that you can impress them, 80% of it, once you get an interview call, is definitely, I would say probably 99% of it is through case solving. You can impress through various other things. Location usually is not a barrier for, I would say, mostly for these consulting companies. I cannot speak about many other companies. A lot of companies do have, but since these guys are multinationals, they can keep you in one location or they can shift you to other location without too many problems. Sorry, I can go on about this answer because I personally faced that situation, but since the not right forum, we'll talk about it later.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Akshat, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
hi.
wanted to ask that, hi, For the people who are working out of Big Four, so will there be an opportunity to network with people from Big Three? Because if the thinking process is that I want to change from, let's say, risk consulting to management consulting, so will there be a networking opportunity to leverage the same?
Sure, absolutely. So I think I briefly answered this earlier, but I'll answer it again. May I know what your name is, by the way?
Neha Shukla.
Neha, hi Neha. Right, of course we'll bring guest speakers. So right now you're speaking with Pawan, so he's a McKinsey, right? So you're in fact networking with him. Similarly, we have plans. There is another McKinsey consultant on our network. She'll be solving cases with you guys. There is a friend of mine. He lives in Portugal, so he'll be joining our network. So he's ex McKinsey again. So a lot of people, right? Similarly, we have a lot of BCG Bain consultants who are joining our network. You will get to interact and network with them in that sense, yes. But how you communicate with them, where that conversation leads to, etc., is it all depends on how you are carrying forward your conversation.
So one quick thing to add on top of that, Neha. When I used to give talks in few public forums or in closed sessions, I used to immediately get emails in the next 1 hour saying thank you and a few questions. But as you can imagine, if I'm getting 30 emails in the next 1 hour, I have no time to respond to all the 30, and they will go down in my inbox. Right? A quick tip that I can offer in any of these sessions that you attend, please drop a thank you email, thank you note on LinkedIn. We'll share the profiles, thank you notes, and tell about yourself. Don't directly ask them something, but share your experiences, share something like what you have enjoyed in that session, what you have learned, talk about these things. Definitely you can take the conversation forward. One quick thing again, guys, I just want to give a reminder. Any of these guys, if you are asking them, can you refer me to ABC company? The problem is in some of these companies, any person can refer only up to 10 people per year, 15 people per year. The number of referrals are limited. So they don't want to probably say they refer you and probably they can't refer another friend of theirs probably 4 months down the line. So that's the only reason they won't do it. A lot of guys don't do it. I never used to do it because I know a few of my friends will reach out later, right? So build that conversation, have probably conversations beyond that, take your network beyond these sessions slowly but definitely, and then ask for any request. But before asking for a request, see if you can offer some kind of help. That's the best way
So
possible. And yeah.
Yeah, Pawan. So just very quickly to add to that about networking, guys, see, both Pawan and I have networked, right, to get a job in consulting, and almost everyone who gets a job in consulting needs to build a network, right? Without that, it's impossible to get any elite job, let alone consulting with the top three. Now, how to do that is a different ball game altogether. What to do? There are multiple things that goes into the mix. You need to have the skill set. Even if you network and if your skill set is not there, then it's pointless, right? I mean, you will get out of during the cases round. So bottom line is that don't take networking uh, as a very superficial thing, right? It is not, right? I mean, if you genuinely add value, if you're genuinely solving cases brilliantly, for example, I network with Pawan, right? I mean, there is a reason why Pawan and I are working together, having graduated from INSEAD in 2015, because Pawan helped me solve a case, right, during my time at INSEAD. So he gave me a case. He was very impressed with the way I solved. We carried forward the conversation. He liked it. He asked me more questions about what I was doing, all because we did not used to take classes together. We were like, Pawan was in Fontainebleau campus of INSEAD, I was in Singapore campus, right? So we met for like a month maybe, right? And then after that, here we are today, right, doing this webinar and having done like a lot of work together. The reason was that he probably liked something about me, right? And similarly vice versa, that I liked something about him, right? So from that angle, take networking in that way, right? I mean, if you keep a very superficial view that, hey, I'm just here to get a job with a top three guy, let me network from that angle, it's impossible to sort of get any benefit out of it.
Yes, it takes, if not
Pawan,
months, it might take years as well, guys. So continue with it. You will only see the benefits later. Again, somebody from like Big Four to Big Three, guys, like big switch. Anything like getting into Big Three is a big switch. You need to be patient. You need build simultaneously your case muscle, and learn the tips about networking, offer value to folks. Somebody who you think is a beginner, if you add value to them, help them somehow to build a case, they will get back to you. They'll remember you for sure, right? So build the network in your own ways. Every single conversation can create an impression if you are in the right attitude and right space of mind. Sorry, somebody was asking a question.
Yeah, hi Pawan. This is Ranbir. So we had a conversation. I wanted to ask that how easy it is to switch from an analytics consulting to core consulting, and
Yes,
what's the transition?
yes. So Ranbir, I think my personal professional journey is quite an example for a lot of things. Can be directly. I worked for a company called Mu Sigma before I moved to McKinsey, using my spike in like data analytics without getting graduated from like tier 1 university in India and without an MBA from tier 1 college or any college. So that's my journey. How do you build it? You will slowly learn about it. How to build spikes on your resume. We'll do a lot of like sessions around that. You will definitely learn about how to build a spike. If you are from data analytics, if you are even in IT, if you are a software engineer at Infosys, there is still scope for you to build a spike, guys. So your background is never a constraint for management consulting industry as such. Even if you're in military, you can get into MBB. Even if you're a doctor, you can get. Even if you're an IT guy, if you are a doctor, anybody, doesn't matter. It's just how you present your resume. We'll talk about it. Unfortunately, it takes a lot of time to talk about these things, but we will have closed sessions on these topics. We have these member-only sessions. Definitely, I will speak about experiences from tier 2 to MBB, right? How to get into MBBs like without an MBA, all these kind of things.
Hello, I have one question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So just now you told that regardless of the background, there are equal chances for all the people to get into the management consulting. Does it mean that they have to go and do MBA? Say suppose take an military background. Does it mean that they have to go and do an MBA in any of the B school? Then they will get that path to get into management consulting, or is
So,
there the
yes. So, if I may stop you down because I know the line of
yeah,
question that you. Yeah, sorry about that. But
yeah.
yes, so that's precisely what I'm saying. So I went into MBB before an MBA and without not from undergrad college directly. So it is possible a lot of people do that, but uh, you need to have like two things: good networking abilities, good case solving skills to get to where you want to be. Military guys, IT guys, a lot of people make this switch, right? You just need to be ready when you get that opportunity, and that takes a lot of time for you to prepare. So don't forget that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Any more questions, guys? Vivek, I want to apply for MBA programs next year. How will experience? Oh, that's an interesting question, Vivek. How will writing help? Right, guys, that's a very interesting question. Somebody is preparing for MBA programs. Will this experience in case solving help? I believe experience in case solving helps a lot in a because you start thinking in a structured way. Guys, I have a 1-year-old son, 2-year-old now. His name is Ishan. So I think I might ask Ishan someday, Ishan, tell me what are the 3 things that you want to do today? I think my wife will kill me for that. But case solving, being in the management industry gives you so much of structured thinking ability, right? You tend to apply in many things that you do. And MBA applications is one of the good things where you can apply this case solving skills. And unfortunately, my wife or my kid are not okay with that. But I mean, I tend to tell you the point that it's not just for MBA applications or it's not just for your next job, but it rubs on in a lot of ways on your life as well. That's a great question, Vivek. Thank you. Akshat, any questions you want to take?
Hi,
Sure,
I have a
sure.
question.
Can I just stop you there? I was just about to take a question. We'll just quickly get back to you. So someone has
No
asked
worries.
that, hey, my partner and I have no experience in this area, but so how will we conduct these case interviews. So guys, we have a solution for that, and we have already emailed it. The solution is very simple, that if you're a paid member, you will get access to the case, right? And the case that we are sharing with you, let's call that case X. Now that case X has already been solved by someone, and you can listen to the recording of that thing, right? So listen to that recording 2-3 times before giving that case to your case partner. But this facility is only available to paid members currently. So you can download that, listen to it, so on and so forth, and that will give you a lot of insights as to how to approach case solving. Yes,
Guys,
please
just
continue.
another, sorry, just a quick point, if you don't mind, before somebody asked me, now because of COVID, a lot of job losses are happening. Is there a point for me to prepare for case interviews, right? So that's a very interesting question again, guys. Case interviews should help you in any interview, to be honest, not just management consulting, because it's the ability to think in a structured way. Two, if there is one industry which is recession proof, typically consulting is on the top, because any airlines industries, for example, their revenues are falling like crazy. Now if airlines need to, let's say, cut down and like want to have right size, like make sure that their organization can sail through this COVID impact, who is better than helping them out than a consulting company, right? So yeah, it's one of the recession proof industries in the world, definitely healthcare and consulting, education. These are a few recession proof industries. So yep. Sorry, go ahead, ask your question.
Yeah, hi, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Firstly, good evening. So my question is that will there be any physical networking events?
So, I mean, unfortunately, like the answer is definite no for now, right?
Okay.
Yes, right. I mean, definitely nothing till the end of year, for sure. We don't know how it's going to be after, but for the next 6 months, zero physical networking events.
No worries. Thank you, Mr. Pawan.
Yes, but yes, we plan on doing that. We plan to create like local chapters across different cities. And in case you guys are interested, you can write to us if you want to lead these chapters. And we will organize like actual coffee meets when the situation improves. Right now, we are putting that plan on the back burner simply because of the COVID situation. And that is definitely something that we would want to do.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, just to reiterate, all the interested guys, at least if you are interested in case solving, if you are, I would say that yes, you stick for 1.5 hours. That's a great thing. It's a 45-minute schedule. If you are in general curious about learning, I'm sure you will get a lot of value by attending, by listening to folks, and helping others. That's a big part. A lot of people tend to forget how big part is like helping others in like building their own network and building their communication skills. I didn't know that I helped Akshat and he reached out to me later after like 2 years, because saying that, yes, you helped me prepare for a case interview. How are you? Let's start a business, right? So these things do happen. So subscribe if you are interested, for sure. But please make sure that your email is in your spam folder. Again, don't worry about if your case partner is not responding within 2 days or 3 days. Give the case partner some kind of benefit of doubt. Take 3 days, get back to us. We will make sure you have like at least 2 case partners every month and you do good cases with them. And most importantly, it's a very long-term play, guys. Getting into McKinsey, BCG, Bain, McKinsey itself just has like a lot of applicants every year. So if you need to stand out, it takes a lot of time. So be ready to invest that kind of time. The most important thing is time in preparation. So do that, guys, and absolutely you will be in a good place. In terms of networking, don't ever think about asking. For example, I get a lot of LinkedIn requests asking, can I get a job? Can you evaluate my resume? The first message, no, I can't do it. But if somebody is asking me after 10 interactions, I'm more than happy to spend an hour with them, right? Like, it takes a lot of time to build a network. It takes a lot of time to give something, take something, and it is a lot of effort. You can't just get overnight rockstar, make overnight friends. You have never made overnight friends and like stick with them for life, right? Similarly, the same situation. Please give yourself and also the other person some time and help each other out. Thank you. Thanks, Ankur. Saurav, that's a good question. Can you recommend any books? The best book I would say is actually Google. Just start for like guesstimate case solving questions. You will see a lot of questions, and from the next few set of questions you are with us, you'll at least get the questions. You'll at least get a good case partner. You'll at least get the model solution, and you'll get to interact with guys who are from these companies and at least hear from them. I think these things add up very quickly. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to email at admin@casesovercoffee.com. And please wait for the response. The poor guy doesn't have any experience in consulting, so just give them some time. Okay, no industry related questions, please. That guy doesn't have any experience in consulting, so any process related questions he's equipped to answer, but not consulting related questions. Any other questions, guys? Akshat, you see any other interesting questions? If you see, guys, we have not answered your question just because of any questions, but we tried to answer almost every kind of question in this that's related to this session. How do you improve profile for consulting? Not the right forum. But guys, casesovercoffee.com, just go there, click join us, membership plans, purchase. If you have any problems with the gateway, please see the email in your spam folder. If you have problem with the gateways, then go there, purchase, take screenshots, send us. We'll put you up, we'll hook you up with the right case partner, and we welcome you on board to this long journey, but a very exciting journey of building network, solving a case, and building that one-on-one professional relationship. Be nice to others, and be candid, and understand the fact that these guys are on LinkedIn and they can speak about everybody in public forums, right? So please be candid, respect others people times, and you respect your time too simultaneously, and I'm sure you will have a great ride. And any questions, always feel free to ask admin@casesovercoffee.com. How long you want to stick, up to you guys, how long you want to stick, but I would recommend case solving is a long process. You can't build certain muscles. If you want to build a six-pack, it can't happen in 10 days, right? You need to spend time on it. Similarly, if you need to build your case muscle, it takes time. What updates will you get on Telegrams or LinkedIn's? You will definitely get the update on the next session that is happening, guys. You will get updates on the next case solution that we have released, or the next case variant that we are going to send. So don't worry too much about the case question itself, or understand about the process, guys. It's more about how you think. So stick to these elements. Work with different kinds of case partners. You will definitely get surprised once in a while with somebody who is definitely going to reach out to you and say that, yes, I'm XYZ, let us do a case together. That can happen to you someday. We can't promise you when that can happen, but that can happen, and you will be in a good ride for that. Okay, thank you, guys. We really appreciate all your support. As a like, pretty much you guys know our journey. Everybody here knows our journey a lot. You also know that Akshat has a 1-year kid, I have a 3-year kid. So you know our personal stories, you know our professional stories inside out now. So please be considerate if you are not getting the answer on admin@cases or any other place. We know that we have to take care of you guys. We will take care of you guys in a good way, to the best of our abilities, and we'll provide you all the possible opportunities for you to learn. So stick with us for the long run, and these sessions will continue to happen, and you are getting that chance to build your professional platform. All right, guys.
Bye. Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
so much. Thank you so much, guys. It was wonderful hosting all of you guys, and
Thank
we
you so much.
really thank you. Thanks your support. Thank you, everybody. And please understand, we are just starting. Our sincere objective, we honestly want to add value to whatever you want to learn. So that's our honest efforts. That's where we are spending like 24 hours a day, just to make sure that you guys learn whatever you want to learn, whatever is important for you. If you don't know that, we will at least give you some guidance on that through these sessions. through your partners. So spend some time, understand learnings don't happen in a day, 2 days. Just wait it out, take things slowly. You will definitely learn. You will build that muscle slowly. Six packs are not built in a day. Just remember that, guys. It takes years to build six packs. I have been trying for a long time. I haven't been able to build that as of now. I should do that soon.
All right. Okay, wonderful, guys. It was a pleasure speaking with all of you. So take care and let us know if we can be of help.
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you, Gauri. Thank you, Mijesh. Thanks, Surya. If any of you have a six pack, please let me know. I would love to get some tips from you guys. Anything, if you know anything about kids, also, guys, we are struggling to build a company with 1-year-old kids in the back, shouting in the background. You please, any tips regarding life or professional careers? At least Akshat and I would be very much be open to these skills. Okay. Oh no, guys, no family packs, only six packs. We already have the family packs. All right, guys. Yes. Thank you, Shantanu. Thank you for supporting us. We'll make sure you'll have some good learnings along the way. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be there. We'll be happy to help you. And all the guys in the network, please be serious and support your case partners in the best way possible. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Hopefully, I'll see a lot of you getting into that path even better than Akshat and myself. We sincerely hope you learn and you grow in your careers better than us. And we will be happy to help as cases over coffee in any way we can. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye. You'll have a recording of this session as well on LinkedIn and on a bunch of other social media platforms. You can go through it if you want any specific questions and answers. Thanks, guys. Bye. Take care. Thank you, Akshat. Thank you, Ranbir. Thanks, Mijesh. Yes, we will add you. Oh, thanks, Mohit. Thank you. Debayan, thank you so much. Yes, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot for the support. We really, honestly, we mean it. Thank you. Thanks, Nafisa.